there is something common in all of us. We have the miracle power of subconscious mind. We have this storehouse within us, provided we are able to tap onto it. If we are able to tap onto it and explore what is the strength of our subconscious mind, we can definitely achieve what we want to achieve. You might have heard that if you are able to rewire your subconscious brain or reprogram your subconscious brain, you can actually leverage your subconscious brain to achieve or attain whatever you want to attain in your life. So today in this video, I'm going to talk about 3 techniques, in fact 3 ways using which you can rewire your subconscious mind. And if you want abundance, if you want success, if you want to achieve any goals that you have in your life, and if you are able to train your subconscious brain in the way you want to do it, in the way it is supposed to be, you will be able to achieve anything in your life. If you train your subconscious mind in the way you actually want to, in the way it is supposed to be, then you can attract anything. You can attract abundance, you can attract success, you can achieve any goal, anything that you want to. So let's quickly dive into this. What are those 3 ways using which we can rewire your subconscious brain? So the number 1 way to rewire your subconscious brain is to make sure that we are careful about the self-talks that we do with ourselves. The talk with self that we do with ourselves are called auto-suggestions. So you got to be careful about the auto-suggestions as well as hetero-suggestions. So auto-suggestions are the talks that you do with yourself that keeps on going in your mind, and the hetero-suggestions are the one which are given by others. Hetero-suggestions are the talks which are given to you by others. So you have to be careful about the auto-suggestions and hetero-suggestions. You need to make sure whatever you are talking with yourself, they are positive self-talk. And if you're hanging around with people, make sure to hang around with positive people who talk positive, who remain positive, who do anything or their actions are positive and productive. So this is one of the prominent and predominant way to rewire your subconscious brain. So Dr. Joseph Murphy says that whatever is impressed on your subconscious mind, it gets expressed in your real life. The second way to impress your subconscious mind is to do meditation. So ladies and gentlemen, when you do meditation, your mind go into a different frequency altogether. So when you do meditation, your finite mind try to connect with the infinite intelligence, which is the universe, and you get a lot of ideas, lot of things which you may not be able to receive when you are living your normal life, when you are busy in other things. So meditation is one of the very effective way to connect to your subconscious mind. And I have read it somewhere that whenever you wake up for the first time in the morning and when you are about to sleep, so those 2 states are very receptive to impress your subconscious mind, because at that time your brain is relaxed and it is ready to take the new ideas. So if you are listening to any good things, any motivational talk or anything at that point of time in the morning and in the night, it is going to be very helpful. And the last 3rd tip is doing the visualization. I was reading the book Attitude is Everything by Jeff Keller. He's one of the best-selling author, and this is one of my favorite book. I remember that this was my first book when I started and developed the habit of reading. So Jeff Keller says that you need to picture your way to success. So whatever you want to achieve in your life, you need to create the mental movies in your brain. You need to visualize all those things that you want to achieve, and you need to visualize it every day. And you don't have to just create those mental movies, you have to passionately feel about those mental movies. You have to feel as if you are living in that moment, as if you are having all those material things, all the money, the wealth, the good relationship, the dream house, that you are trying to achieve in the future. So you have to feel, you have to visualize everything that you want to possess in the future. So visualization is one of the very effective way to impress your subconscious mind. So ladies and gentlemen, all I want to say that if you are able to impress your subconscious mind to achieve abundance, wealth, success, any kind of things, it will definitely work on your command. But it can go either way. If you are negative, if your self-talks are negative, if you are hanging around with negative people, if your visualization is not positive, then it would not work in your favor. It can go against you as well. So be very careful what you say, what you do, and what you think within your brain, and whom you hang out with. So I hope you love these 3 points. In case if you have any more suggestions, any questions, you may want to drop them in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. So this is your friend Tawseef Hasan signing off until we meet again. Have a fantastic time.